Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance. So this is the card for y'all, Cancers. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, guys. So we have Hermit, Four of Suns in reverse and Two of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you have to be really attentive, guys, attentive to things involving money. So some kind of decisions you are making today involving your finances, you must be really careful. You should do it personally. Maybe you should not trust others to do it for you today, guys, because maybe for some of you I see that there is someone trying to make use of you, swindle money from you. So you have to be careful, guys, with this person. So they cannot be trusted and you need to be really careful today, guys, Cancers. And Cancers, today you are thinking about something very deeply. Something has come up in your situation and you want clarity, and maybe you do things only if you have clarity today, guys. So you are thinking about some important decisions today, decisions that you need to make, and you do not want to make any mistakes today. So maybe you are waiting for that clarity in your situation, clarity to see things clearly before you move into action today. And maybe for some of you, you have some kind of an intuition in certain things, and for some of you it may be something telling you not to do certain things. So some kind of a warning maybe. So you are holding yourself, waiting for the right time maybe. So you are thinking about something important. It may be something to do with this relationship. Maybe you want marriage or a commitment with this person, and your intuition is asking you to wait for some time maybe. So that may be the reason you're waiting. Or maybe for some of you it may even guide you in certain things, just like I said before. So something that involves finances, you should be really careful today, guys. So some kind of guidance may reach you regarding that. So you need to take care of important things yourself today, guys, Cancers. But I also see that good luck is working for you guys today. So whatever difficulties you are facing, so there may be a situation today, maybe it is beyond your control or reach, but whatever it is, things are going to fall into place and you are going to see a positive outcome today in your situation. And maybe this person understands you and it is true love, and maybe even they are expecting a decision from you. They want marriage or commitment. Maybe they have asked you for that and you are taking time to think and decide and come out with your decision. But whatever it is, this person understands you and it is true love, guys, Cancers. And you are going to be really lucky today, guys, with this person. So this person knows your love and they know your heart, and even they are waiting for you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Five of Spheres. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you are someone really honest, guys, truthful to what you feel, truthful to this love, and that is the reason you are waiting. You have something holding you back, so you want clarity, and that is the reason you are waiting. And you are someone who is determined and strong hearted, and you are waiting to make the right choice, and it is true love, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Apprentice of Spheres. So with this card, it just means that you are someone who is really enthusiastic, curious to move forward in life, trying your best, doing your best, using your talents and skills, and you are moving forward positively in your life today, guys, in your work situation. So whatever it is, you are someone who has skills, talents, and also the enthusiasm, cheerfulness. You are doing it with cheerfulness, whatever you do in your work situation, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. It is Be Accommodating. So with this card, guys, the angel's guidance is that in our situation we must be really flexible. So if we want a harmonious, balanced situation with the people we love, we must go for flexibility. So flexibility just means that listening to others' ideas and viewpoints and expanding our own viewpoints and ideas. And it does not mean that we have to give up our ethics or give up our ideals and beliefs. It just means that we must respect and care for that other person, allow them to express what they truly feel without judging them. So that way we will truly know what this person is thinking or feeling. And today in your situation, maybe if someone is here to tell you what they truly feel, and maybe it is time you listen to them, guys. Listen to them without judging them. Listen to their ideas, listen to their point of view. And each and every one of us have their own point of view, guys, and we are all right. So sometimes we must listen to the other person to understand what they truly feel today, guys. So this angel card is the guidance for you all. So if you want a true, meaningful and a deep communication with the people you love, you must try to be more accommodating, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, guys, you can just like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.